Welcome, 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 ladies and gentlemen. Happy Saturday. How's everyone doing today? Let's talk about some crypto. Let's talk about some Bitcoin. Let's talk about some altcoins and meme coins. Spam some bananas in the chat. Smash the like button on your way in, guys. It's going to be a long one tonight. All right. How's everyone doing on this lovely Saturday evening? Hoffs said XRP given 0 Fs. Let's go check out XRP. XRP has been looking wonderful. Let's see. Binance chart. XRP getting relisted on Robinhood along with Gary Gensler allegedly preparing to step down. And the new pro administration getting ready to take office, making a big difference. Guys, XRP looks amazing. Like all the other dino coins, as everyone called it, XRP is up 122%. So, haters, I think, are the losers at this point, aren't they? Every single coin that everyone said, this coin's dead and hasn't done anything in years, they're all up several 100%, and their coins are taking a big dump on their face. So I hate to say it, but the unfortunately, I don't know why this wasn't obvious, but the flavor of the weak coins are losing. Guys, Bitcoin looks great. It's just chilling, been chopping sideways while Bitcoin dominance takes a big dump, and our alts get a nice run up. ETH is looking good. I've still got this drawing on there. This is my estimate for what ETH is going to do, just because I saw the RSI starting to curl up. So we'll see what happens. Total 3, following the fractal perfectly. Oops. We'll see if it comes down, because it missed this spike down. I think that this spike down kind of was this move, but a little bit less dramatic. But we'll see what happens. I'm going to leave it like that. Sol looking good. Possible funky little bull flag situation going on. It is what it is. ADA followed my W perfectly. Hopefully bull flagging out. Let's actually draw that really quick. We have no candle bodies to go off of though, which is a little concerning to me. I like candle bodies in my my flags. So we'll see. We'll see if that plays out. If anything comes of it, guys. Snack has stole the show for me today. I can't even, I don't know, I have no words. Snack is just going crazy, and I love it. When alt season said, ADA been looking pumpy, it's just not moving. I mean, it's moved a lot compared to where it was. It broke out of its descending channel. We've been in this channel for forever. And if you look, it was stuck here. Oh boy. I gotta keep doing this every single time. Okay, H. It was stuck in this range, and then it was stuck in this range. And it broke out of both of those. Kind of retested this support area. Or it wanted to, at least. It couldn't get that low. Yeah, right here is where it retested. The top of this resistance. Previous resistance turned support and continued to the upside. ADA is currently up from the lows, the local lows, 127, 126%. Fahid said, damn, I forgot about Snack. When alt season said, look at lower time frames, 1 hour, 30, 15. Yeah, the lower time frames has definitely been choppy. You can tell by the candle bodies. But I mean, it's got to cool off. It only makes sense. What happened back here? We ran up like crazy, and then we got choppy, 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 and people were like, screw this, and they got all mad and sold. People accumulated some more, bought it right back up, sold again, and then bam, then it went crazy. So, I mean, it's a market cycle. That's what happens. I traded the 15-minute for the past 3 years, and I didn't do awful. I didn't do as good as I did when I first started trading. And when I started streaming, I started trading the 4 hour again, and man, has it made the biggest difference in my life. It helped, like when you go to the higher time frames, it helps you trade the higher time frame trades, which, you know, whether or not you believe it, would result in more gains because the moves are bigger. Clint said 85 years later it broke out. Hop said XLM up 58%. Chili's at 7.5 cents. When alt season said lower time frame on ADA says we could get another leg to me. Still anticipating something soon. Yeah, we'll see what happens. SUI is another showstopper, guys. This thing is going harder than Mike Tyson versus Jake Paul. I don't know if anybody saw that, but that was the most anticlimactic, like lamest. I'm so glad it was on Netflix and it wasn't pay-per-view. If that thing was pay-per-view and I wasted any time or money to watch it, I would have been so angry. Tyler Yetzer said, hey, if you've ever heard, I like SUI. Yeah, SUI is amazing. SUI is 1000%. Like, it's just chilling, breaking new all-time highs every single day. Blue sky breakout. SUI is the darling of this market at the moment, besides Doge. C doing some catch-up though. C, I mean, I guess it's still chilling at its previous highs, but we'll see what happens. Pun intended. Cass has just been ripping. Anyone trading Cass has potentially gotten wrecked in these past couple of moves. This was huge. I don't know if you would even call it a stop pump, just a decent pump, and then it retraced almost majority of the pump, and then out of nowhere, just a monster god candle to the upside, and then a dump again, and then they just retraced that entire dump to the upside. Like, this thing has been a nightmare for traps, which is pretty sick. I like the volume. I like the volatility. Tyler Yetzer said, I'm so glad I got to see the girls fight. Dude, that girls fight was crazy. What's going on, John Am? Hoff said, I'm in, see? Very nice, Hoffs. Fahid said Jake made a challenge to face George Foreman. What? I think Jake just likes to make a show. Are you for real? Stop it. Stop it. You're joking. Why doesn't he just fight Don King? Ridiculous. Dude, that guy that snuck into the press thing and was like, I got my great-great-granddad here to fight for your next challenge. And then kicked him out. That was so funny. That was so funny, man. Oh, man. Fahid said, LOL, I was kidding. Fahid, unfortunately, I don't think Jake would be kidding, and I'm sure he's considered it. Tyler said Jake versus Muhammad Ali. Jake versus the fist in Detroit. He's just going to go punch this thing. People are going to pay millions of dollars to see it. Joe Lewis's fist. All right, guys, we're getting distracted. AVAX looks phenomenal, guys. Is this a cup and handle? This kind of has the same volatility as Cass had going on. Interesting. It's interesting to see where this volatility comes from. It really is. Chainlink doing its thing. Still has yet to break above the trend line that we wanted to break above. Dot making a big comeback, bouncing beautifully off that trend line. It looked like it was going to break below it, but it held. Bounced off of it beautifully, completely recovered that dumpy move. Looking for Polkadot to at least hit all-time highs this market. Not financial advice. If you make a trade based on that information and you get rugged, it is not my fault. Do not blame me. But we do have bullish div, guys. And I think I pointed out yesterday, and I pointed this out in the Discord, we looked at Quaint for our good friend Waterfly, and we said, hey, this has bullish div on the higher time frames, and look what happened. Look at that. I believe it's on the daily. On the daily, You got bullish div, based on the candle body closes, not the wicks. You do not count the wicks. We said, hey, there's bullish div, and it just exploded to the upside. Absolute moonage, 33% trade. If you guys took this trade, you would have made a crap ton of money. Congratulations to anyone that did. Doge. Oh my goodness. Doge, bull flag, measured move, looking for 61 cents. Not financial advice. That is if it gets a breakout, retest, and continuation. We'll see what happens on the 4-hour. It does look a little sloppy. Let's see if we can draw. I don't know. It looks like it tried to break out to the upside there, and it was not successful. There's a little bit of confluence top and bottom. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see if we can make that happen. Polygon-matic pole. Ooh, they're doing a little bit of something. They're like sitting back at their highs too. A lot of fake outs to the downside. I've definitely noticed that. Does this thing have bullish div? Unfortunately, it does. Sorry, Toffs. I'm so sorry. But there is bullish div and Polygon-matic pole. Or there was. I guess it's questionable. Let me go back a little bit further. Yeah, let me do that. Let me do that. I like that. That works. That works. I feel like I buy it. Right? Maybe. It's a little bit sloppy. I'm not gonna claim that. But Polygon-matic pole getting a big push up or a little push up. It still kind of looks like crap. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see. He said Jake will climb to the heavens to face Ali. Clint said saw somewhere stablecoins are increasing. Could be more liquidity coming in, including alts. Hoff said Scamders and meme coin portfolio probably getting wrecked when alt season. Which is, I love your name, by the way. That is a brilliant name. It reminds me of Wes Anderson. I hold utilities only, no memes. However, we must admit that memes will probably continue to run and the top performing memes will continue outperforming everything else. Retail only cares about pumps. I agree. That's why I hold both utility and memes. They can coexist. Near broke out of its falling triangle, falling wedge, whatever you want to call it. Retested a million times and started to continue to the upside, currently sitting at local highs, retesting probably this high level resistance previous. Chili's, guys, we also called this move. Chili's had a falling wedge, broke out, didn't even bother retesting, formed another falling wedge, a smaller one, broke out. Looks amazing. Let's see if that fulfilled the measured move. I don't know, some people don't count the inside of the flag, but let's see. If we did, it would be 0.79 cents. We'll see what happens. Crypto Heli said, "Yo, check Barsic going crazy." I told you. I told you it was gonna go crazy. We checked it yesterday. I don't think you were here. But remember, I pointed out the bullish div, and I said the bullish and bearish div duke it out, and it's gonna push it to the upside. We checked this out yesterday during yesterday's stream. Congratulations, dude. Absolute bank. Hell yeah. You love to see it. But yeah, remember I was telling you about the bullish and bearish div? Since it was bearish div first, followed by bullish div, and the price would push up and down and then pinch and push like parabolic to the upside. That's what happened with Roar, the Roaring Kitty meme coin. And that's why we know that move can even happen. So it's not a guarantee, but it also played out here. We've watched it play out twice so far. Like, perfectly executed. Congratulations. I think Hasbulla is hilarious. And, dare I say, adorable. The cat's cute as well. He's like a 30-year-old man, isn't he? The Buddha Beat said Loop Ring. Let's go take a look at Loop Ring. Really quick, PHB, great trades. MicroStrategy, chilling at all-time highs. DXY, Silver, NASDAQ, S&P. We'll see if the S&P can recouple. Check out Bitcoin Dominance, taking a dump. Bitcoin looking good. Guys, we have exactly 48 minutes. Nope. 38 minutes until the daily close contest. First 10 submissions. If you nail all 5 digits, you win $15. If you nail all 7 digits, you win a special prize. If you get closest without going over, you win bragging rights. First 10 submissions, 10 minutes prior. Or we close at 5 minutes prior, whichever comes first, 10 or 5 minutes prior. Let's go look at Loopring. It's LRC USDT. Am I correct? Yes, I am. I remember things. Ooh, Loopring is getting a big push up. You'll love to see it. Currently up 55% from the lows. Hell yeah. Let me take a sip of my chai latte and see if we can point out some bullish div. Oh my gosh, I put way too much vanilla in it this time. I'm gonna get drunk. I'm like a housewife getting drunk off of vanilla. We got bullish div here. Broke out to the upside. Looks very good. Looks great, honestly. I would even call that. Right there. All the way back here. Back even further. Ooh. Big bullish div. Looks pretty sick. Congratulations. I'm dropping shit. Yeah, guys, that bullish bearish div duking it out is a big play. Not financial advice. So I don't know if I can find. I guess I could use Barsic as the example actually, but I don't remember. I think was it on the 4 hour? No, it must have been on the 15-minute, right? Let's just check. Yeah, it was definitely on the 15-minute. Okay, so we had bearish div here, saying the price was going to go down. Followed by where's the bullish div? I guess I'd have to go watch my stream. Yep, right here. Bullish div here. So as long as the bearish div pushes the price into the bullish div, this is what we've seen play out countless times. Bearish div and bullish div duking it out. And the price just keeps getting pushed higher every single time. And eventually it reaches that pinch point where it just gets like smashed so hard and busts to the upside. It's crazy. We've watched this play out countless times. Same thing here. You got bearish div. And you got bullish div. The bearish div and the bullish div push the price higher every single time. Not financial advice. We've only watched it play out a handful of times, so I guess there's no control to say that this is a surefire thing or what percentage it actually plays out. But we've spotted it 2 times and we've watched it play out 2 times. So at the moment, with the 2 tests that we've done, it is 100% accurate. Okay. Tishu said, "Yo, I've had a limit sell order for XLM at 23 for months, a small amount. Can't believe it actually filled. Isn't that crazy?" That's crazy, man, when those old fill orders come into play. Let's go look at okay, I'm sorry. I'm looking at Loopring. You got bullish div playing out at the moment. This is on the 4 hour. Let's go to the lower time frame really quick. I don't wanna screw you out of some TA because I got distracted trying to tuck my own chain. I had some shepherd's pie earlier. It was kind of funky. It wasn't bad. Let's see. Is this bearish div? What's the RSI saying here? Oh, I gotta pull my numbers out. RSI here is 80.43, and over here it is 81.58. So yes, you do have bearish div here. It's very, very faint, but it is present on the 15-minute. The bullish div. There's no obvious bullish div to me. So yeah, you just have that bearish div on the 4 hour, so be careful with that. Let's see. Let's go look at Algorand. Drew, we'll pick a shitcoin soon. We gotta play some video games, Drew. I just sold a shit ton of Pokemon cards. Okay, good. I've been going for 20 minutes. I can start swearing now. Holy fuck. Neo said, "How's my boy Sharky doing, man?" Let's go take a look at Sharky after we look at Algorand. Algorand has bearish div. Now the question is, can this push into bullish div? So what I would want to see is I want to see price, if it goes this low, and RSI stops around here, and you will have Actually, it doesn't even need to go low. I'm sorry. If the price goes up here and the RSI goes down here, then you will have the bearish bullish div set up that we've been watching and pinching price to the parabolic upside. If this sets up anywhere like this, I would open up a trade on Algorand. Not financial advice, that's just what I would do. But right now it's got bearish div, so you want to look for the bullish div setup for an opening trade. Or, because everything is going pumpy crazy town, this could just be setting up a bull flag right here, regardless of divergence, because remember, according to Google, and apparently every trader in the world, divergence only plays out like 64% of the time. So it's not the greatest indicator. We've just happened, it's the easiest to point out on the chart, and it just kind of tells you where volume's going. Let's go take a look at Sharky really quick. Sharky. And ooh, what did I say, guys? What did I say? Sharky is another one with the bearish and bullish div playing out. Is it? Why did I draw that lower line? Because it was a broadening. I gotta remember what I did here. So this is for sure bearish div right there, though. Only right there. It's not relevant all the way back here. Maybe that was just the upper trend line. I don't remember. I don't remember the TA. Okay, this looks promising. No, it doesn't. Was it this? Because this RSI is 1,000% going down. And this price is going up. So maybe that was the move? That could have been the play right there. Bearish div going into bullish div, pushing it up. What's going on over here, though? Yeah, it looks like it's been doing this dance for a while, but it's been faint. So you got bullish div right here, too. Interesting. Sharky looks amazing, dude. Congratulations. $6.9 million market cap. I don't remember. Did I put that line on there because I was pointing out where we were looking at it initially? That's probably what it was. That straight line earlier. Right there. Is that a perfectly straight line? It's up 55%. If that is where we were looking at it, then it's up 55%. Congratulations. Let's see. Drew. Oh, dude. Daisy. 1,000% I'm down. I'm so down. He said I can DL it now. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. Okay. He said, let's look at my baby Flux. Let's look at Flux for Drew. Guys, welcome to the stream. Don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for being here. We have 30 minutes, 29 minutes until the daily close contest. Let me read the chat really quick. Tishu said, check out that XLM pump if you can. Jim Kennedy said, we live? Hell yeah. That's a better percentage than me getting lucky with my girlfriend. Plays out about 10% of the time. You'll get there, man. You'll get an increase in rate. Tyler Yetzer said, want to hear the most depressing thing you've heard all week? I don't know, man. I just finished watching the next 3 episodes of Arcane. I'm pretty effed up right now. I'm not gonna lie. No spoilers. I am fucked up right now from that show. But yes, hit me. Hit me with it. Hit me. Man, I had that. I think I told you guys before. I had that Dark Knight special edition phone. So I had all of these, like, it had all these promotional trailers and stuff from the movie, and like audio, like secret audio and stuff like that. It was the coolest phone. I had it for like 3 days, and then I smashed it when I broke my leg. But it had those lines from the Dark Knight. I don't remember why he was saying that though. Oh no, that was the Joker saying that. He was shooting at the Batmobile, and then he wanted Batman to run him over because that would have corrupted him. Okay, I'm sorry. Critical Thinker said, any more gas left for sand, or is this the top? Drew said, okay. Tyler said, I had 1900 in XLM at 7 cents, and I sent to the wrong wallet address. Oh, damn, that stinks so bad. Drew said, most I've lost is 0.1 Bitcoin. Critical Thinker said, any more? Okay, we'll look at gas, or I'm sorry, we'll look at sand in a second, Critical Thinker. Thank you for joining. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. I do not... Okay, so there's no div for that. What are we seeing, though? What are we seeing? Potential inverse head and shoulders setting up at the moment, but it looks a little janky. But that's not the end of the world. You know, I've seen that play out a million times, janky or not. I don't know. Let's go to the daily. Sometimes it's hard to see patterns, man. You really gotta like play around with the chart. I 1000%, maybe not in the price action, but in the RSI, I see a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. That is not present in the price action at all, but that leads me to think that the RSI is about to skyrocket, which makes me think that the price is about to skyrocket. But that's not an accurate indicator at all whatsoever, so definitely don't make a trade based on that information. That's just me saying, like, I have a gut feeling, which is not reliable for a trade. Let's see. Yeah, there's no div. There's no div that I can point out, which usually has me a little confused, because you guys know divergence is my favorite indicator. Clearly, you're probably sick of me pointing it out already. Oh, I found some. We're okay. I feel better now. So we had some bullish div. I'm like an addict. I'm like, you got any more of that bullish div, man? Just a taste. Tyler said, worth about 3x more. Worst gut feeling in the world. Tyler, worst gut feeling in the world is looking into Bitcoin in 2012 and never doing anything about it. That is the worst gut feeling in the world. Knowing that you have the capability. Hoff said Silo Season 2 is back. Hoffs, you know that feeling when you finish Lost and you feel empty? You feel like your entire family just died? I'm starting to get that from Arcane. Oh man, it's messing me up. And there's still 3 more episodes to go, but the show is ending. And what just happened at the last episode? Woohoo! And like it finished, and my daughter's watching it with me too. That show, like that episode finished, and we were both just like, what the fuck just happened? Crazy. Jim Kennedy said, oh man, Tyler, that sucks. I did that with 1200 of GPU AI a few months ago. All right, let's go look at sand for our good friend, Critical Thinker. Sorry about that. Getting a little distracted. Saturday's my busy stream, so we got a lot of people in the chat. And I can't ignore chat messages. I don't understand. I'm gonna be like mentally incapacitated when my audience gets so big that I can't keep up with the chat. We got bullish div here, 1000% on sand, which led to a decent push up. What else do we got? We do have bearish div. So, like I pointed out already, what I would like to see next is maybe, if it's not going to bull flag out and continue up, if the price pushes down a little bit, and then the RSI pushes down more. Because then we would have more bullish div to lead into more bearish div. Then that would bounce, and that would do the same thing. More bearish div. And it would be a continued cycle until it hits that crazy, crazy parabolic move that we've watched play out a million times already. At least twice. Possibly 3 times. So that's what I would like to see for sand. If it happens, if it doesn't continue to push up, sand and Gala pushing up is a big deal, because that means that the gaming sector is getting fired back up. And that, to me, means that Avalanche should start to get some more attention because of Off the Grid. Off the Grid is huge. I don't know if the Guns Network is going to be tradable. That's the only thing that worries me. But because Off the Grid is a crypto game, and people are going to eventually figure that out, they're going to start looking at crypto, they're going to look into crypto gaming, and they're going to buy up all the crypto gaming coins that they can. This is not financial advice. I'm totally guessing here. But we had a gaming run before when there was like no good games. So it would not surprise me if we had a huge gaming run this time around, now that there are games and they're actually fun and playable on the blockchain. That would not surprise me one bit. What else do we got? Tyler said, or after eating $30 of Taco Bell. Dude, it's a challenge to accumulate $30 worth of Taco Bell. That shit's so cheap. Hop said, why is that something in crypto that can't be fixed? Sending to the wrong wallet, no way to retrieve funds? No, because the place that they were sent doesn't exist. I wonder if you could make the wallet, though. You know what I mean? Like if I had Bitcoin, and again, I don't know how the wallet works, but if I type out my Bitcoin address and I accidentally, like the very last digit, instead of an O, I put a 0, can I make that wallet and retrieve those funds that way? I wonder if that's a thing. Jim Kennedy said, that was my feeling when Breaking Bad ended. Yeah, any show that is good like that, especially if there's an ensemble cast, or when you feel like emotion for the characters, when a piece of media, music, movie, TV show, art, whatever, when a piece of media can make you have an emotional reaction, then you know it was well done. Tyler said, where you living? Drew said, I remember those days. Let's look at Harry Potter Obama Sonic 10X Inu. Tyler said, but I does exist somewhere in the world. Neo said, dude, that's my exact thesis on AVAX. Got a nice stack of playathreals. I'm assuming playables. Drew said some chains have an error, but overall, it's on you to make sure it's going to the right place. That's true. Debudabeat said Zilliqa. Let's go take a look at Zilliqa. All right. Right off the bat, bullish div. How far back does it go? I'll go right here. And bearish div. Price is higher, RSI is lower. Now, in this instance, the bullish div pushed the price into the bearish div, which we have not seen yet. Will this lead to some downside? I don't know. See, to me, in this scenario as well, let me see. Okay, hold on. We got bearish div here too. Right here. So price is lower, RSI is higher. Now, where's their bullish div? Price is higher, price is higher, price is lower. No. So we had bearish div. Did not play out at all. The price just kind of stagnated. And then there was bullish div. Like the price pumped, dumped, which created bullish div, pumped, which created bearish div. So what's going to continue to happen, in my opinion, is the same thing. It's going to keep pumping and dumping and pushing the price to the upside. This is not financial advice. This is just what I would like to see play out for Zilliqa. And it's going to keep creating bearish and bullish div. And eventually, just like all the other coins that we've watched, and again, this is not financial advice. Divergence only plays out 60-some% of the time. But we've watched this play out a couple of times already. It's going to pinch and push the price to the upside like squeezing a grape in between your fingers. And it pops. That's what it seems to be happening with all of these bearish and bullish div. It's almost like Bollinger Bands. The bearish and bullish div fight, and then eventually the bullish div is like, fuck this, sucker punches or uppercuts the price action to the upside. And it moves. And then the bearish div is like, well, shit, I can't do anything with that. And then it just leaves. So that's what I would like to see. Let's see if there's anything on the higher time frames for Zilliqa. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. Tyler said, my thought, why isn't there an option to cancel your transaction just like you can do with money so it's not usable on the other wallet? I thought you could. A lot of times, if I do a transaction Even if I'm like mid-transaction and I just don't want it to go through, I can cancel it. It depends on, I think it depends on the wallet, and it depends on if the, see with XLM the transaction's instant, so there's no hesitation to be able to cancel it. I think that's the downfall of the instant transactions. But with XLM, don't they have that memo too? So they kind of force you to have to see everything properly. Let's see, this thing was going sideways for quite some time. We got bullish div here. Dude, I put so much vanilla in my damn drink. Did I? Oh, you know what? It's different. It's different different tea bags. That's what it might be. That makes more sense. So there was bullish div here, which led to the price push to the upside. It also looks like some kind of I don't know, it's just, to me, this is just kind of a distribution accumulation pattern. Like, this is straight up, how do I make shapes? Can't I make shapes? Yeah. Alt-Shift-R. This right here. Accumulation. Nothing more, nothing less. And it broke out. Even, honestly, if you go down here, this right here, it was support, broke back in, broke back out, support, broke back in, resistance, 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 bam, support, upside. So it did the resistance dance, it accumulated and established some bullish div, and then busted out the ceiling, retested the upper area, upper trend line, and then started to move. Tyler said no, I sent to an outside wallet, takes about 30 seconds. Okay. Yeah, with XLM, I think it's a lot different because there's no time for you to be like, oh shit, oopsie, because it's so fast. What I'm thinking of is like ETH or Bitcoin, where you can submit the transaction and then cancel it, or even certain swaps on like Cardano, you can cancel. Sometimes it doesn't always go through, and it could also depend on the exchange, because a lot of times I'll use a DEX aggregator, so there's some time in between me pushing submit and the transaction actually attempting to go through. Drew said, because if we make an arrangement for services and I perform the service, then you cancel it, then what would we do? That's true. That's why a lot of places don't accept credit cards, because I could pay you, Drew, for your painting service. You get that service done in a day, and then I call my credit card company and say, hey, I didn't mean to charge this. And the credit card company will just be like, okay, and they'll give me my money back because it's in their best interest to keep me happy. Why do they care if Painter Drew is pissed off at Chase Credit or whatever? You know, whatever credit card company. They don't give a crap. The Buddha Beat said ICP, plus thanks for the rest. Of course, man. Of course. Thank you for giving me something to talk about. ICP. Guys, smash the like button on your way in. I appreciate you guys for being here. We got 14 minutes until the daily close contest. ICP, same thing. Has not broken out yet, though. But I definitely see the same accumulation pattern. And okay, no. I thought I saw bullish div for a second. I do not. Yeah, no. If this price area right here was a little bit lower, then there would definitely be bullish div. But there isn't. Yeah, as of right now, it looks actually just like Zilliqa with that accumulation pattern. I'm gonna guess if it was right here, that it would have broken out already, and I think it would have taken it a little more serious. It looks like it broke out, failed. Maybe that is what it is. This could be it. But there's no bullish div to kind of give it a solid breakout yet. Oh, maybe there is. Hang on. I don't think so. Yeah, no, it's just been bouncing off of what is that, $7? Price is lower here. And it's higher here. Same with the RSI. Yeah. Yeah, there's no bullish div. But that doesn't mean that it can't break out and continue to the upside. It looks like it came into here, bounced off of 650, broke above, what is that, 880 for some reason, and then failed to retest. Resistance, resistance, broke above again, failed to retest, kind of chilled out, accumulate, bounce a little bit higher this time. Maybe this should just go up. Broke out, failed to retest again, breaking out. Hopefully, if it can get a solid retest above this like 882 level, it seems, or 886, or just break out and continue to the upside, then it would look like a good time for ICP. It also kind of just looks like it's trying to establish some volume here, because it doesn't look like it's had a lot of volume here previously. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But there's no bullish div at the moment on the daily. Let me go look at the 4-hour. Clint said, can you check out Link? Of course. Hop said, I need your pick for it tomorrow, Clint. Clint said, Browns to lose, and I have no clue who to play. Robe said, milk bag on Sol. Culture utility meme coin. Take a look. I do like milk. Okay, real quick, let me look at Link. Yeah, Clint, I'm looking for Link to break back above this blue trend line. So it was riding this trend line, broke back below it, rode the longer term trend line, used that as support and a springboard to the upside, and it did break above this basic, I guess, previous resistance, and it held that as support. So maybe it can springboard off of that and use that to get above the blue trend line. And then we're in some moon territory. $16 area. And the reason why this pattern is even set up is because we watched it play out on Doge. Doge had the same thing. Longer term trend line, shorter term trend line. Ran the shorter term trend for a minute. Broke below. Rode the longer term trend. Broke back above shorter term trend. Used it as support. Support. Moon. Polygon Matic Pole trying to do the same thing. Polkadot did the same thing. Shorter term trend. Was riding longer term trend. Shorter term trend. Broke below. Longer term trend. Resistance. Broke below this even. With Polkadot. Polkadot's had quite a story. Bullish div right here. Broke above. Bullish div. Some more moon time. We're looking for Link to do something similar to Doge at least, because I don't think Link has the bearishness that Polkadot has. Chainlink's got this longer term trend line. Shorter term resistance. Possible inverse head and shoulders. Jury's out. That's up to your judgment. But it's kind of like an accumulation. Accumulation. Breakout. Support. Bust the upside. Let's see. Okay. you guys are talking a lot. Robe said milk bag on Sol. Let's go check out milk bag on Sol. I do enjoy milk. What's this? Bear Buzz Honey Hustle. Bear Baiter. Milk bag tools. Okay. 4 million market cap. Let's do some TA on this meme. Okay. Let's see, the volume is 59K. Liquidity to market cap ratio is pretty good, actually. It's almost, I think it's 5%. Current accumulation. What do I see? I feel like I see bullish div here for sure. Clearly. And that played out with like a 40% move. Now what's going on? What's the story here? No bearish div, which is good. This is the 4-hour. Let's maybe try the 1-hour. What's the 1-hour got for me? See a possible fugly inverse head and shoulders setting up. It's like pretty fugly, and the neckline is like, what is the neckline? That's a mess. So maybe forget that. Could just be 3 hits to the downside, possibly 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bullish div right here. Price going down, RSI going up. Even here, price going up, RSI going down. That would be right here specifically. And then that resulted in what? 2.73 plus 4, so 6. I don't think that that counts as played out yet. I've seen the divergence a lot of times point to a move to the upside, and then it gives you a little bit, gives you nothing, and then it resets, and this doesn't actually set up divergence, but then it uses that as a springboard and moons. So we've seen that play out a couple of times as well. That's not to say that that's a surefire thing, like I've pointed out a couple of times already. Divergence only plays out like 60-some% of the time. I'm just pointing out what I see in the charts. All right, let's see. Tyler Yetzer said, seen a different wallet in the wallet. My stomach dropped. Hoff said, Drew, can you come paint my apartment? I'm only paying you with credit cards, though. Drew said, shit, Clint's here, act busy. He hates lazy Eds. Hoff said, LMAO Clint. Drew said, Hoffa, do you live near the beach? Hoff said, no. Drew said, do you accept credit card payments? Or Chili's? Hoff said, ha ha ha. Drew said, they charge me for 5% for credit cards, though. Damn Illuminati. Hoffs then said, let's see, a Trump comes through with promises to get it down to 10% interest. There's no way that's going to happen. The Buddha Beat said, what's your diversion indicator called on TradingView? What do you mean? Like bullish and bearish div? There's no indicator that I know of. There might be, though. But you just look up bullish divergence, and I did this a million times until I started streaming and then I memorized it. This specific chart right here. When you're measuring the top, it doesn't matter if it's price going up and RSI going down or price going down and RSI going up. If you're measuring the top, it is going to be bearish div if they are opposing. If they're two different things, up and down, down and up, then that's bearish. If you're measuring the bottom and they're opposing, down and up and down, then it's bullish. So once you figure that out, it's easy to point it out. Let's see. He said, is it just the RSI? Yeah, it's just the RSI. Just the regular RSI. Where is it? I don't even know. It's literally just called RSI on TradingView. It's like their standard relative strength index. Tyler said, what's up with the whole Trump and crypto tax? True, not true? What's the details? I guess we won't find out until he's in place. Until he's sworn in. And stuff starts happening. Hoff said, one time I thought I lost a bunch of Bitcoin, and somehow when I clicked to send, it brought up previous sent address months later. I found the missing Bitcoin in my Coinbase wallet app. Nice. Drew said, my business partner needed me to switch some rune out for him. Forgot the memo, didn't send a test, and sent 5K to the wrong address. Or he had one number off of the memo. I absolutely cannot stress this enough. Always send a test transaction. John said, facts. The Buddha Beat said no. The indicator on the bottom, I think it's RSI. Cheers. Tyler said, what's the rumor? Me? What's the rumor? Me? I don't know. But yeah, the Buddha Beats, this is just regular RSI. The one on the very bottom is the Market Cipher, the great value brand Market Cipher. It's called Fu Manchu. It is literally free Market Cipher. VMC Cipher B divergences. So if you're interested at all in trying to figure out what the heck any of those numbers or indicators mean, then by all means, add it to your chart. I just keep it up here because I'm not entirely sure. I plan on using it eventually, but I don't know. Do the dots mean something? It doesn't really seem like it. But I also don't pay for this. So, what do I care? I think paying for indicators is a little bit silly, but that's just me. Everyone's got their own way of doing things. With Trump, yeah, I'm not sure what the rumors are. I'm pretty sure it's that he's trying to eliminate the crypto tax. It has to be coins that were established by American companies. Or coins where they're based in America. Because I believe that there's a concept part of the rumor where people are going to be allowed to move to America, and then their coins will be tax-free as well. Let's look it up. On US crypto specifically. Oh, geez. Thank God. Right now, we got Cardano, Algorand, Ripple, and HBAR. Should it materialize, the policy is positioned as a transformative advantage for the US issued cryptocurrencies. So I guess they have to be issued from United States-based companies. What is this? Satoshi Action Fund. Dedicated to informing policymakers. Okay, I actually kind of like that. You know, nonprofits are like the most lucrative ways of making money in the world. That's why the Girl Scouts of America, like CEO, is like a billionaire. Because they can just pocket money. Tyler said that would change my whole strategy, right? That's what I'm saying, man. That's why all these coins are pumping. Let's go look at Algo again. And then what was the other one? Yeah, Algorand went crazy. 88%. That's why all these coins are pumping right now. Like some of them were a little bit pumpy, others were a little bit pumpy, and then out of nowhere this news came out and all these specific coins just went crazy. Drew said, JJ, what wallet can I use as a browser extension on Chrome for Cardano? Use NAMI Wallet. That's the one that I use. And you know what? Actually, I believe they're getting ready to migrate to Lace. So if you download and install it, it's probably going to tell you to move to Lace. Yeah, right here. Lace Wallet. Add to browser. Lace.io. Verify all of this information. Make sure that it's not some phishing thing. Yeah, just be careful. Oh, they're partnered with Cardano Warriors? I love Cardano Warriors, guys. I want to get one of these so bad. This is the only one that I don't have. I should buy one soon. All right, I'm sorry. I'm getting distracted. Drew's coming in here with the Cardano stuff and making me making me a Cardano maxi again. Mr. Mario said JJ Bitcoin broke out of 78K. Yes, it did, Mr. Mario. It's currently sitting at 90K. What? Tyler said in my biggest bag is SUI. Dude, Tyler. I love SUI right now. Look at this. Is it your biggest bag because it's up like 400%? Look at this. Look at this. Oh, 127%. Whoa. Dude, SUI is looking sweet. At one point, way back here, I was like, what if SUI goes back to $1.40? Never. I mean, it got a little bit close. $1.70. That's not even close. Okay, guys, get your submissions in. Get your submissions in for the daily close contest. I keep getting distracted. The whole contest is ruined. All right, go, go, go. Guys, come on. You guys are supposed to keep up too. All right, I'm on Bitcoin. I'm on the 1 minute, and I'm typing. Bam. All right, Drew. 90,909. John. 93.50. Quint. 90,470. This is the first time we've had 3 normal names in a row. 4. Tyler. 90,789. 0.54. Jose Felix. Hey, JJ. What's going on, Jose? Christmas Villager. 9601. Drew said it's okay, Christmas Villager. That happens. Yeah, dude. Don't sweat it. Creepy Sheepy. 9700. We got 6. We need 4 more, guys. 4 more spaces. Hoffs, 94.71. Vividero, 93.03.45. And who's going to be the last one? Who's going to be the last one? Nobody. Is anybody going to take the guess? We got 2 minutes left. 2 minutes. All right. Yeah, Christmas Villager. Don't sweat it. Shit happens, man. How to said Bonk just flipped ETH and USDT in volume. Damn. Bath said 9506. Bath is the last guess. Congratulations, Bath. You made it. 90. 506. Oh, shit. Who is Ryler? Guys, we got a new guy. Ryler stole Tyler's guess, and he guessed before Tyler. Sorry, Tyler. You are disqualified. Bath said, join homie crypto crew. Creepy Sheepy said, where's money to screw Hoff's guess? Drew said, when Bath come home, I'll kick Philly's ass. He's gay. Drew said, I miss being squeaky clean. What? Oh, I get it. It's a Bath joke. All right, guys. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We need what? We can take one more. We can take one more. Is anybody going to do it? Anybody at all? Less than 1 minute left. Any second now, your guess will be void. Oh! Tyler, I already got you. 7. Are you changing yours? I don't know if that's allowed. 97, 89, 54. Christmas Villager added 0.11. All right, guys, that's it. No more. You guys can add change to yours if you want, but you cannot change your answer. Hoff said, I was too worried about screwing Clint's guess over that I made a horrible entry. The Buddha Beat said, I've sent this through 3 times. John said, don't allow that shit. All right, let me check. Let me go to live chat. Make sure. Yeah, first we got Drew, then we got John, Clint, Tyler, Christmas Villager, Hoffs, Vivid Arrow, Bath, and that's it. My kids and I are watching Home Alone over here. Nice. Tyler said, I think I went too high. Yeah, Debuta Beats, it might be, if you're trying the decimal, it might not go through. Sometimes that happens. I'm not sure why. Other people submit the decimal and it works, so I'm not sure. All right, let's get these in order. Drew's got 99.09, 93.05, and then we got Clint above John. Copy. Paste, okay. And then 96.01, so this is above Clint. Yeah, if you guys want to add change to yours for a chance at the special prize, let me know in the chat. Tyler is above Christmas. Oops. Copy. Paste. Creepy Sheepy is above Christmas as well. Paste. And 94.71. Hoffs is right above Clint. Closest without going over, though. Yeah, so he would have... No. No, you have to guess under, actually, in order for it to make sense. So Hoffs failed at screwing over Clint's guess. Or no, maybe he didn't. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm wrong. I think I'm wrong. My bad. My bad. Bath is at 95.06. He is above Hoffs. Okay, let me check the chat. Let's see. Bass said a bunch of gibberish. Join the AI 16Z. Debudabeat said no way. Bass said a bunch of other gibberish. Creepy Sheepy added 0.00 to his. What else do we got? Anybody? Bath added bra on Soul. John added 0.31 to his. John just bought merch, so and it looks sick. 0.31. Let me go double check that. Yep, okay. Hoff said Bath, we left the space, we're all in XRP. Bath said AI inverse bra. Drew said, I'm in Safe Moon. Christmas Villager said, I think I would have won last night, but I was a little bit over. Drew said, y'all be left in the dust. Tyler said, give it 25 minutes, lol. Christmas Villager said, I'm huge in XRP. Bath said, gibberish for some, pre-rich for others. Enjoy XRP, Keck. Bath, I bought that Sense one. I bought that Sense one the other day. I still have it. That the other day might have been yesterday. I don't remember. Drew said, I know people are new when they tell me they're into XRP. Damn. Drew's fucking brutal. Guys, we got less than 1 minute left. Here we go. Who's going to take it? I got to submit my guess for who I think is going to win. It's at 95.05 or 550 right now. I think it's going to be Bath. Let's see. Uh-oh. 95, 92. 96.05. Oh, holy crap. Okay, 614. 636. Oh, that's it. The close, 96.36 and 24 cents. Christmas Villager is the winner. Congratulations, Christmas Villager. You are the winner. What is that? Why won't that go away? There we go. Christmas Villagers guess 96.01 and the actual 96.36 and 24 cents. He was closest without going over. Congratulations. Spam the bananas in the chat for Christmas Villager. Bragging rights. Send your unsolicited nudes. Congratulations. Let's go on to the 4-hour. Christmas Villager got it. Guys, spam the bananas in the chat. Christmas Villager is the winner. Winner. I see 0 bananas. How do you even bring up bananas? Aha. Winner! Spam. You know what? Spam the Christmas trees. Let's see. Bat said we just saw 4 sentient AI meme coins go to 1 billion. In the time 1/100th the time it took Popcat, and you're not in yet. Tyler said I used to have 20,000 XRP at 55. Bat said that's 400x acceleration and tardation. Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic 10, Inu has been bridged to Solana. You can buy Bitcoin in the casino now. Nice. Christmas Villager said 2 nights in a row. The Buddha Beat said, that's shocking. I would have won in all. LOL. John sent an apple for some reason. Creepy Sheepy said, sweet. Hop said, Merry Christmas. I spammed the bananas. Tyler said, I just swapped my 20,000 XRP for sweet at $1.64 average. So, still doing good. Creepy Sheepy said, bananas don't grow over here. I don't think they grow here either. We just import them. And Christmas Villager said, this is my old account, LOL. And Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, Christmas Villager. You are the winner today. I still can't believe you live in Michigan. That freaks me out. Crazy. We could legit like meet up. You would have been the perfect person to win too, because if I would have sent you merch, it would have taken like less than a day. I need to actually get merch so I can send it to people. Oh man. All right, guys, let's go through some articles. Don't forget to send your unsolicited nudes to Christmas Villager. Actually, before we look at articles, let's update our liquidation heat map. John said, we're not going to fall for the banana in the tailpipe. That said, just had a position, do 30x on waifu in 18 hours. Get them numbers up, lads. Creepy Sheepy said, only cabbage and potatoes grow in the Netherlands. I actually just had shepherd's pie, and it made me think of all of that stuff over there. Ooh, okay, we got some low numbers now. I think I don't mark it unless it's above 20. 91,440. Above, let me go to my dirty chart. 91,440. Right there. And then the one below, what do we got? 18, 33. I guess 18 is close enough. I'll go to 18. 91,24. Sure. Okay, those are 2 liquidation points. Let's see. Jess said, came here looking for a Fahid, but gave you a like instead. Hey, fam. Bass shared a deck screener link. Let's go take a look at that. Oh, Vaifu. Oh. Hell yeah. We have not looked at our watch list yet today. Let's see how Sense is doing. Dang, this thing's up 21x. Hell yeah. 25.9 million. I wonder why, though. This thing's been out for quite some time, too. I mean, that's pretty sick. I'm pretty stoked for this. Dasha, an AI agent launchpad. Okay. Very interesting. It's the pump.fun for AI coins on Sol. Let me check out my bags really quick. Very nice. Very exciting. Whoops. Okay. Project 89 up 80% again, sitting at 29.6 million. Let's go take a look. Okay. So it's just chilling right above, or right at previous size. Minus the wick. Nice, nice, nice. 29.8 million market cap. Cool, cool, cool. Let's see what else we got. What in Tarnation is up 33%. Sense is up 28%. DBI is up 16. Why does everything kind of look like crap right now? What's going on? Dude, these coins have been at the bottom of the list for like a week now. Like, they're getting decimated. Baka's at 23k market cap. Oh my gosh, Legacy's at 20. Burb is at 70. At least Burb started low. Holy crap. Oh, Shigen, I meant to open up, what happened? I meant to open up Pesto. What else do we got? Popo, looks like doo-doo. Splo, looks like doo-doo. Everything looks like doo-doo, man. Everything looked good yesterday. What happened? Sense looks good, sitting above my entry. Currently up. Dun, 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 dun. 27%, very nice. Shigen. I don't know what's happening here. I think I have a very small moon bag of Shigen. Oh, it's at $5.40. It's actually pretty good. Pesto. Ooh, Pesto's still sitting way above my entry. 491%. $15.6 million market cap. I think I've taken profit on it like 5 or 6 times now, so yeah, I'm only I only have $5 left. But yeah, we're just chilling. Honestly, the meme coins look pretty chill. Let me check the chat. You guys are having a lovely conversation, Fahid said. Damn it. Misses the close. Yeah, Fahid, you leave every time. Every time. All right. Just for the record, Fahid, Christmas Villager was the winner. Their guess, 96.01 and 11 cents. The actual close, 90. That's not accurate. $96.36. Okay, yeah. I got dyslexic. What happened? 96.36 and 24 cents. Okay, so Christmas Villager won. Their guess was 96.01 and 11 cents. The actual close was 96.36 and 24 cents. Just another casual $90,000 close for Bitcoin. Creepy Sheepy said, "Have you sold any cards recently, JJ?" Actually, yes. I made a $750 sell that I just mailed out this morning. Big sale. I think that's my biggest one so far. I could be wrong. I don't remember what my first one was. My first one might have been over 1,000. But yeah, I made bank, dude. I'm pretty stoked actually. I had to get insurance on the fucking mail. That's the first time I've ever had to do that. It requires a signature. I don't know. It was pretty exciting, man. 51 cards. $750 for 51 cards. Oh, man. Gotta love eBay, man. It's a fun time. It's also pretty cool. A lot of like-minded people on there. It's easy to find people that collect cards on eBay. Daily close and ADA's already up 1.86%. Snake is already up 1.94%. What else do we got? DOT is up 1%. Oh, I was gonna get excited for MicroStrategy, but this hasn't moved since since the stock market closed. John said, "What kind of cards, John?" Pokemon cards. Old school, like 2000, 2001, possibly 1999 Pokemon cards. Creepy Sheepy said, "You're going to run out of cards at this pace?" No, 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 no. I still got majority of my binders left, man. I've been cherry picking them. Been cherry picking the ones that I want to get rid of. I have a reverse hollow Entei that is apparently only worth like $6, which is crazy to me because he was like impossible to catch in the Game Boy games. Creepy Sheepy said, "Did you know Rip and Ship is huge on all the streaming platforms now? Creators selling $1,000+ packs per stream." Really, I had no idea. I'd have to look into that. What is that? That's where they open up the packs? Rip and Ship by Moonshot. Rip Ship Arena. Rip and Ship. How to set up a Pokemon Rip and Ship show. So people just buy the packs, then you open them up, show them on the stream, and send them to the people who buy them? I guess how would you know? That seems like that would be a logistical nightmare, man. Drew said, "Does that mean we're adulting now, JJ?" I think so. Christmas Villager said, "My kids are obsessed with Pokemon." Well, Christmas Villager, if you ever want some old school cards, I'll give you a good deal. Yeah, man, that rip and ship thing. I feel like it would be so hard to keep track of, especially if you're selling over 1,000 packs per stream. You'd have to have like a whole team, man. And how lucrative is that? Hop said, "I heard the story of the guy that lost his whole baseball card collection going back to the 50s from hurricane damage." Well, what the fuck, man? Hoffs, you were literally freaking out about your record collection. If you live in that area, you have to know to protect your stuff. I don't know. That sounds like an insurance job to me, man. That sounds like an insurance job. Christmas Villager said, "What's your site?" I don't have a site. I just use eBay. And I don't sell them all the time. I randomly will just cherry pick a chunk out and sell a lot. He said we have thousands of baseball cards from the 80s that were destroyed. That's so awful, man. That makes me feel so bad. You know what I have that was the most devastating thing in the world to me, I think? I have a ton. I was into Pokemon a lot, so I got a decent chunk of Pokemon cards. But I have way more Yu-Gi-Oh cards. And apparently they're freaking worthless. What's your eBay? Oof. Can I show that? I don't know if that's a good idea to show on stream. If you join the Discord and DM me, I'll DM it to you. But he wants to look at nothing. Let's go look at nothing. 500, what is it? Oh, this is Mudang. What the heck? $13 million market cap. It's just chilling. Just chilling. But he... Oh, I was just going to say I see bullish div, but I don't. Yep, not yet. Not yet. But yeah, it's just chilling. What the heck? Yeah, I don't like to use the wicks. I don't like to use the wicks at all. I like the candle bodies. So if you do the fib thing, it's pulling back to the 786. I don't know. The people that do the fib thing seem to know a lot more about the fib thing than me. Creepy Sheepy said, my Van Gogh Pikachu went up to set 175. Hell yeah. Hoff said, I know it's dumb. You have to move the stuff or have a plan. The bags, man. I'm telling you, the bags are OP. Just contractor bags. All you gotta do is like triple knot them, get some zip ties, and you're good to go. Let's go check Twitter. It's almost at 2K members. Interesting. Friday, November 29th is Buy Nothing Day. Dex screeners censoring us, plus tag them to fix. Number 43. And here comes nothing on the backstretch. You cannot censor nothing. There is no thing you can do against nothing. These people are crazy. I love it. I love it so much. All posts must be completely blank. 2, 3. Oh, this is great. I'm sorry. Every time I look at this, I get more and more enamored with it. I'm such a chump. I fall for the dumbest shit. Look at this. That's my sweet baby boy Popo, who I refuse to sell. He will rise again. Won't you, little Popo? I believe in Popo. Drew said I like fibs. What's the next narrative for memes? I think cute animals, honestly. AI is still making its run, but we got Peanut, T-Peanut, Mo, Hema, Baby Peanut, Nut Bulla, Hasbulla's Peanut, Lotta, Hasbulla's gently used car, I guess. Wait a minute. Okay, that's hilarious. I like that Hasbulla has just become a meme now. Monster, Cheyenne, Lester, Litecoin mascot, Vibe Cat, Doge, Ruby. These are all animals, except for Susan and Hasbulla's car. They are all cute animals. And the problem with that is there's a million cute animals. Barsick is number 22. Oh my gosh. 259 million market cap. Whoa. I can't believe we missed this. You literally put, like, looked at it on stream. Okay, it would have been a 4x. Calm down, JJ. It's not that big of a loss. Moodang. Let's go look at Moodang. Moodang. Boop-a-doo. $616.7 million market cap. Very nice. I do see... Oh, what do I see? What do I see? Let's go to the 1 hour. I mean, again, over and over again. Guys, we're going to just keep getting the same story. Bullish div. Every time. Played out once. Can it play out again? Jury's out. We'll have to find out. But it is there. It is in the chart. And it looks good. Guys, we got 19 people watching. Smash the like button if you're new. Please consider subscribing. Share the stream with your friends and family. I appreciate you guys for being here. Happy Saturday. It is 7:19 p.m. Bitcoin is currently sitting at $90,799.99. And we are chilling. We're looking at Memecoins. Watching Moodang with some bullish div. See if it pops off. Bat said animals are cringe. Self-replicating AI. Driven investment firms launching memetic religions are based now. Drew said, how will I get by, guys? Hella based on crocodiles. Fahid said, can we see Flavia for fun so I can torture myself more? I feel like Fahid is just a sadist. He's like purposely doing all this stuff on purpose. This is the 15 minutes. Let's go to the 4 hour. There we go. The 4 hour looks better. So Flavia got a little baby recovery. Let's see. It pumped up 500 some percent at one point. It's currently sitting up 143%, 140 something percent from the bottom, local bottom. 150. Sitting up 150% from the local bottom. Drew said, that's what the kids say. No, Fahid. I think Fahid has been around the longest with the least gains. NFADYOR. I think he likes it that way. I think he secretly enjoys it. Because he talks about it a lot. Plus, Fahid's like the nicest guy in the world. There's got to be some kind of weird karma. Like, what is he? Maybe he was like a hitman. And he's like retired. And he moved up to Canada to like hide from the law. And from like his previous handlers. Because they want him to work more. But he refuses to. So he's in hiding as an Uber driver. Under the guise of Fahid. And he likes to punish himself by losing money on random meme coins and then selling them before they pump again. That's my Fahid backstory. That's my headcanon for Fahid. Hoff said, I literally have no idea what Bath is talking about. Drew said, just buy Bitcoin. Drew said, me too, JJ. Hoffs, then you aren't based. Dave said, hi everyone. Banana. Hi Dave, how are you? Fahid said, secrets out. Drew said, yo Dave. Hoffs went silent because Hoffs actually was Fahid's handler. And he's playing coy and stuff. And he created the Discord. The new Discord is like a trap. But he still can't figure out Fahid's location. Because Canada has like special internet. And they used to have over-the-counter codeine. Christmas Villager said, how do you all think XRP will get in 2025? Let's go look at XRP. I think the best narrative in the world right now for XRP is Gensler piecing out. And the no tax on American coins. How high will it go in 2025? Well, if we look at historical data. That trend, man. Woo. If we look at historical data, the top is, what is the top? 196.69. Nice. So 196.69. I would like to see it at least reclaim its previous all-time high I feel like it should have to go higher. But was that its first bull run? It's only been around since 2017, 2018. That's interesting. 2012. What? Then what am I looking at? Who has the oldest XRP chart? This only goes to 2021. Holy crap. Am I crazy? Here we go. 2020. It's got to be Binance, right? That's so weird. Is that for real? 2012, when the XRP was created in 2013. Okay. How did it... Okay, development begins in 2012, and then it launched... Ripple launched in 2012, and then XRP was created in 2013. Okay. Chris Larson. Isn't this the To Catch a Predator guy? Who am I thinking of? Chris Hansen. Okay, my bad. My bad. Oh, shit. Okay, Teach you said XRP USD on Bitstamp. Okay. It's the USD one that gets me every time. Bitstamp. There we go. All right, there we go. That looks much better. See, this is what kills me, though. It hit a high in 2018. 2018. Hit its all-time high. It's forever all-time high. $3.31. Never hit that again. We've gone through a whole other bull run. Somehow it didn't hit that, which scares me. I would be terrified. The SEC was actively suing them, though. So that could have been the reason. And if you follow this trend, I mean, I don't know. Is that what caused that bounce, that little breakout? That sideways accumulation breakout? Who knows? It's just weird that it never hit that high again. Like, the SEC sued everyone, but everyone still hit those highs. I guess they've been suing XRP for the longest. It's hard to say with XRP because it's such an anomaly. But it's also such a household name among crypto. I don't know. If I had to guess, and I'm going to be completely modest, simply because I don't know anywhere near enough about token inflation and Ripple Labs and any of that stuff, and if they're even allowed to print more XRP. I've heard a million rumors, and I'm gonna be a little biased here. I'm gonna say $2.50 at most, because it seems to have a hard cap here at $2 for some reason. And you're not gonna tell me if this is the exact moment that the SEC decided to sue them, that people propped the price up for this long still afterwards, and for some reason it couldn't get above $2. That's kind of sus. And then it did the same thing here. More accumulation at the highs. And it's currently sitting at that level. I don't know. It sketches me out. I've heard a lot of stuff about Ripple Labs being able to like sell Ripple. They kind of just use it as their own bankroll. And again, I'm not confirming these rumors. I don't know if these are true. They might just be like defamation for all I know. So don't, take this with a grain of salt. I'm just one random person who's heard the rumors just like you. But XRP, for that reason, has always scared me. Because when it comes to investing, I'm kind of a little pussy about it. Forgive me. Let's see. Drew said, I've been hearing about XRP for so long. I hope it goes for the army, but most of them had absolutely insane targets, right? Drew said, but he is actually Elon. Off said, did you look at Peanut? No, I'll check that out. Christmas Villager said, I'm kind of shocked Lunk has not moved much. Tishu said, Bitstamp, I think. Dave said, Becker thinks Cardano will go back to all-time high. New video today. Oh, yeah? Tishu said, XRP USD, Bitstamp. Yep, got that. Creepy Sheepy said, that's Chris Hansen. Yeah, I figured that out. He said, I told you all last night Jake Paul was going to dominate Tyson last night. He didn't dominate him, though. They just kind of danced around like idiots. And both got a big fat paycheck out of it. So, I mean, it was clearly just that. I'm glad they had the fights prior, though. Because at least we got some entertainment value out of it. Otherwise, I would have been pissed. I would have been so pissed off. Again, though, I'm also glad I did not go. And I'm glad I didn't pay to watch it. Tishu said SEC ruined the XRP chart forever. Christmas Villager said 250 would be huge. Dave said the fight was just about people making money, nothing to do with boxing. I loved the first two fights, dude. The chicks fighting, that was so fucking brutal. And you know what? Honestly, as a man, I'm a little bit embarrassed at the Jake Paul Mike Tyson fight. What the fuck are they doing? The chicks literally like permanently assaulted each other's faces to the point of like really dramatic, like big ass gashes. And the dudes danced around like morons. No offense to Mike Tyson. I love Mike Tyson. I don't blame him at all. He was old. Jake's a bitch. He got a big fat paycheck. He makes way more money than I ever will. So I feel like I have every right to call him a little fucking pussy. But, and you know what? I would absolutely call him a pussy to his face, because then he'd hit me, and then I'd sue him for everything that he fucking has. But that's just fucking weird, man. The kid cannot come out and say that he beat Mike Tyson, because he didn't. He fucking danced in a ring with Mike Tyson and made probably at least $80 million after he bet his entire bag. So he's a businessman. That's all he is. He ain't no fucking boxer. Christmas Villager said Tyson only landed one punch. Creepy Sheepy said, I'm happy I didn't watch that shit. Creepy Sheepy, you gotta watch the first two fights though, dude. The two Mexican dudes and then the two chicks, that shit was crazy. Both fucking crazy badass fights. Guys, Sneck is running again. No surprise here. Sneck is love, Sneck is life. Like I've said a million times, I have a irresponsibly large bag of Sneck. I have 2 cans of Sneck Energy. I own Snecky's NFTs. I'm a Sneck maxi through and through. I think Sneck is more than a meme coin. It is a meme community. A meme unity, if you will. Guys, we got 20 people watching. Thank you for joining. Smash the like button on your way in or out, no matter what you're doing. I appreciate you guys. If you're new, please consider subscribing. We are 1 subscriber away from 250. Going into full transparency mode here, guys. 250 is the halfway point to Oh, we're at 250. Oh my gosh, who did it? You guys. Let's fucking go. Halfway to super chats and shopping and membership. Shopping, I think I can just add my store or some crap, but memberships and super chats. And then that would put us about 50% of the way. Or I'm sorry. At 500, we would be 50%. Right now, we're 25% of the way to full advertisement monetization. So, we're working our way. We're slowly grinding. I appreciate you guys. 250, big milestone. Thank you guys for letting it be on a Saturday. I appreciate you guys. Absolute legends. 252. What is going on? Oh my gosh. The subscribers are coming out of the woodwork now. Is it because of Sneck? Sneck is pumping. Bitcoin looks good. ETH looks great. I can't wait, man. People are starting to get antsy. They're like, ETH isn't doing anything. It's just going to go. I can't even. There's no word for it. It's going to go bananas. Bananas is the only option that makes sense. I think ETH is going to go absolutely fucking ape shit. Andy said just subbed. Appreciate you, Andy. Absolute legend. One of the 250 amazing people. Creepy Sheepy said, I'm from Europe. I don't pay taxes on crypto anyways. Tyler said, listen, everyone. We need to buy and pump H-bar. If the tax shit is real, that's huge. Pump it, everyone. Bath said, trying a small popcat long. 10x stop loss. 165. Tyler said, crypto gets huge by everyone's word of mouth. Bath said, take profit 180, 188, and 195. Hop said, ETH coins already moving. Let's go take a look at, what was I going to take a look at? H-bar. Isn't this the Kevin O'Leary coin? You know what the biggest disappointment in the world was? And again, I promised a friend of mine that I wouldn't talk crap, so I'm gonna try not to. But Ben Armstrong, like, calling out Kevin O'Leary, and then the second he met him in person, they become best friends. That was the most devastating thing in the world to me. Would he have done that if Sam Bankman-Fried had like walked out of the hotel when he went to wherever that was, the Bahamas? Probably. Christmas Villager said Tezos looks good. Let's look at Tezos too. Tezos is an old one. H bar is kind of already mooning off of the news, it seems. 111%. Whoa. Whoa. Holy crap. H bar went bananas. Just like everything else. I had no idea. Let's see. I do like H bar. I did have a considerably large bag of H bar back in the day. What is H bar's all-time high? Is this coin really that young? All-time high, 57 cents. 57.6. Yep. Okay. And it's currently sitting at 8. Oh my gosh. Am I wrong? Didn't they just do something with NASA as well? Or am I crazy? Not NASA, I'm sorry, SpaceX. Someone's car is braking actively outside my apartment. Let's see. Christmas Villager said Tezos looks amazing. He also said I had a shit ton of H-bar on Voyager. Oof, rest in peace. That sucks so bad, man. Have you ever heard my Voyager story, Christmas Villager? SpaceX and Hedera to pioneer satellite payment networks. Yeah. And it's only up 111%? That's ridiculous. I think this was my entry at one point on H-bar. That's weird. Isn't that funny? That's still on my chart. Damn. Yeah, H-bar has connections. They are bigger than people realize. Okay, Christmas Villager, my H-bar, my Voyager story. So I was on Voyager. They were my exchange of choice. A beautiful user interface. I was sold. And I'm on there. I have all my money in there. All of my money. And then I realized what a spread was and that their spread was atrocious. And I was like, okay, screw this. So I transfer out. I move everything. I consolidated all of my bags into Cardano. And I was going to move my bags out of Voyager. It says 3 to 5 business days. I'm like, okay, whatever. I'm sitting there waiting 3 to 5 business days. And it's still gone. Or still hasn't come through. So I'm like, what's going on? And then I can't get through to customer service. So then I start flipping out. I go full Karen. I went full Karen. I go on Twitter. Every single promotional post that they had, I was in there. 100 miles an hour, like whole paragraphs telling them that they're stealing my money. Like I literally went full Karen, dude. I couldn't have been a bigger bitch about it. But it's money, you know? It's my fucking money. Oh my goddamn money. So then the CEO of Voyager, I shit you not, I verified it and everything, DM'd me on Twitter and he said, "What is your customer service code?" Which you can't steal somebody's identity or funds from the customer service number that they give you. So I gave him the number, and within an hour, he said your problem should be solved, and my funds were sitting in the wallet that I'd sent them to. And my problem was fixed. This was like 2 months before the collapse. So I think that I got out like right as it was starting to happen. I don't know how. Like by the grace of the universe, I was given my money. But I will give that guy props. As much of a complete scumbag as he probably is, I give him props for DMing some random ass kid on fucking Twitter that's bitching in their promotional posts. Which I think the only reason that worked because there was only like 3 or 4 people replying in their promo posts, but there was a ton of people seeing them. So I think they were really worried about the publicity. Something worked, man. That was the first time in my entire life where going full Karen was financially beneficial. Oh, Money said, "What's up, JJ? Hello, chat. What's going on, Money?" Op said, "Hey, Money. Christmas Villager said they took around 4 to 6K from me. Damn, that sucks so bad." Andy said, "Thief." Op said, "If you followed their whole thing and submitted the info, you did get a good amount back." Yeah, that's what it seems like. Yeah, H-bar if they're working with SpaceX, dude, I guess the only thing I don't know is the inflation rate. Do they have an inflation mechanism? I don't know what that means. This is on, okay, this so 2 years ago, they inflated 23.34%. Let's go look at CoinMarketCap. Let's go look at HBAR on CoinMarketCap. Now, let's see this. So the total supply is 50 billion, max supply is 50 billion. Is that this is total? Okay, circulate. Yeah, see, here's the problem. They can inflate the price. So they might not ever hit that all-time high again if the all-time high was when there was only like 5 billion of it circulating. That being said, let's see if we can figure out what that is based on the historic snapshot on the date that it happened. We're doing a deep dive on HBAR right now, guys. Thank you for being here. Subscribe if you're new. Smash the like button. Okay, so this is on the weekly. Let me go to the daily so that I can get a more accurate day. All-time high was hit on Wednesday, September 15th, 2021. So let's go. 2021. September 12th or 19th. It's probably going to be about the same. Let's go to the 12th. Yeah, it's going to be the same price either way. Let's go to the 12th. September 12th. I want to look for... Oh, shoot. I just have to scroll through here. It should be pretty high, shouldn't it? Maybe Tezos was in there. Yeah, this is what you guys got to check right here. Hedera hash graph. Circulating supply, 9 billion. Current supply, 37 billion. So let's do 38 divided by 9. So it's up 4.2 times. So with a current or with the market cap at the time of 4 billion, it would have to be 4.2 times that. So let's do 4.3. 4.3 times 4 billion. It would have to get to a whopping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $17.2 billion market cap in order for it to reach the same all-time high of 56, or I'm sorry, not even that. It was on the 15th or the 12th. In order to reach a high of 42 cents. Money said 91,003. Do we still have guesses? Money, you missed it by about 50 minutes. It is at 6:50 p.m. EST that we start taking guesses, and then we stop taking them at 6:55 p.m. EST. The winner today was Christmas Villager. Congratulate him. Spam some bananas in the chat for him. Where the heck am I? Christmas Villager was the winner today. His guess was 96.01 and 11 cents, and the actual close was 96.36 and 24 cents. Congratulations, Christmas Villager. You the man. But yeah, guys, basically $17.2 billion market cap would land HBAR at its previous, or near its previous high at around 42 cents because of their inflation. HBAR is the perfect example for the inflation rate, so just keep that in mind. Christmas Villager said, I transferred all my coins to Voyager a month before the collapse. Dang. Money said, hi from my friends. We are too drunk. Hop said, ouch, Christmas Villager. Tyler said, easy when Trump blows it up. Yeah, man. The inflation rate is what you got to look out for on coins like this. With HBAR, it's up 4.2 times. Like there's 4.2 times more HBAR out there. So it's going to take 4.2 times more market cap to reach the price that it was at previously. Wow, Near was number 44 back then? I didn't even think I knew Near existed last fall. That's kind of crazy. Dang, remember Neo? Clayton was one of those ones that came out of nowhere too. Kind of cool to look at the historical snapshot. EOS, oh my gosh, where's EOS now? Man, is this the historical snapshot? No, this is today. Okay, cool. Market cap. What is it? What number is it? Doesn't it usually tell me the number? Number 82? Oof. This, guys, do you guys remember JRNY Crypto? Tyler said you don't need to do all of that if you just use market cap of. Does market cap of? But that math lets you know what the market cap would need to get to in order for it to get to previous high. Market cap of won't do that. Let's see what is currently sitting. What did I say it had to get to? 17 billion. So let's see what has a $17 billion market cap right now. Tron. So at Tron, it should be at 42-cent H bar. Is Tron not on here? Okay, good. 45 cent. There you go. What did I say? So it is possible, but it's going to take 4 times the amount of money that it took previously. Christmas Villager said, shit, Lunk is up 10% today. Let's go take a look at Lunk. Deep cut. Lunk was the darling of the last bull market. And, what's his name? I don't even remember his name. Do Kwon. Do Kwon, who, might I add, named his poor daughter Luna after the asset that he stole basically billions of dollars from people from. And I don't remember. Is he in prison? I don't remember. Man, this thing. Lunk is the one that like branched away from the stablecoin thing, isn't it? Is Luna? Luna's the new one, right? Yeah, Luna is the new one. Oh man, this thing got. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This thing. What a historical failure. That is so insane to me. It makes me feel awful for those people, though. Absolutely awful. I will say, though, they were incredibly cocky. You can't be cocky. When you get cocky, you get wrecked so hard. Every time. Yeah, Lunk. I thought Lunk was the one that moved away from the stablecoin part. Isn't this the fork? Why is it so much lower? Or am I crazy and I just don't remember? Yeah, Luna's at 45. Lunk is at like a fraction of a penny. Tyler said, "You're welcome, LOL. Still, it can do it easy. We aren't even in a deep bull run or alt season." That's true. Tyler, do you not know about Luna? He said it looks like a rug pull. Dude, Luna is like one of the greatest stories of last bull market. So Luna was basically like Solana last bull market. Everyone loved it. They were like, oh my gosh, Luna's the next big thing. Luna's going to be the ETH killer. It's going to do all this stuff. And then Do Kwon got cocky. And Do Kwon was a creator. And he said, we're going to release an algorithmic stablecoin pegged to Luna for some reason. So they did that. And the value of the stablecoin was going to be determined based on the price of Luna. And this was right at the beginning of the bear market. And because they did it the way that they did it, in order for the stablecoin to stay pegged as an algorithmic stablecoin, it would have to mint more Luna in order for it to stay $1. And it started doing that. And the price of Luna started going down. So because of that, it created like this vacuum effect. Because the price of Luna went down,
the stablecoin required more Luna to stay $1, so it would mint more. Then Luna would go down more because the supply is inflating. I don't know who, nobody told him this for some reason. And then it needed to mint more because the price went down and it kept minting more and more and more. And then eventually the price went to zero. Literally went to zero. It went to zero. It went to zero. That's not even a joke. It's not even a meme. And it bounced back hard-ish because it was at freaking zero. But going from $0 to $8 after you just went to zero, you just lost all of your money. Originally being up at 80, I don't think you're going to give a crap if it goes to $8. So everyone got out while they could, and it's still, right now it's sitting at 45 cents. This thing was over, what was the all-time high? Almost $120. What a fall from grace, man. Crazy story. So then, I guess the node operator, somebody came out and said, we want a fork. We don't want anything to do with this Do Kwon garbage. And they created the fork, which was LUNC, which is Luna Classic, before the algorithmic stablecoin, which apparently also suffered massive casualties. Rest in peace, Lunk and Luna. But yeah, these are definitely, I think they're smart plays if you want to try to make some money off of like a niche market. Crazy, man. Crazy. Right here, October 23rd, brace for impact. Court orders massive Lunk burn as part of $4.5 billion settlement for Terraform Labs. Interesting. I didn't know they could order burns. That's pretty sick. Black Hat Kalu Tapia said rip Luna. That's such a crazy story, though. I can't wait for that Netflix documentary. That one's going to be insane. Tony Rosa said pull up Drift and Tia, sir. Let's go check it out. What did it? Drift. Drift and Tia. Drift USDT spot. Oh, damn. Okay. 192% candle. Holy crap. Good job. I don't even know how to do anything with this. This thing went absolutely crazy. It was sitting at 51 cents. Now it's $1.21. Wow. That's impressive. What did they do? There had to be in some news or something, man. That is crazy. All right. Let's see. Tony Rosa said, what up, JJ? The dino coins are popping off. Yes, they are. Bat said, some Korean dude shot me in the ass during the Luna War of 2022. Tishu said, I think the Luna Binance chart history until Big Dump is the old Luna chart. Now Lunk and the new data is the new Luna 2. Okay. Bat said, Marie sending. Soul AI. Tishu said, confirm it, though. Bat said, Easy Sys sending. You will buy Easy Sys on Solana. Black Hat said, rip Luna. Lunk is under a penny. Lunk was the original coin. Tyler said, what's VeChain up to? I like Vet. Tony said, wait for the flag on Drift to pop off again. Vahid said, Floki. Tony said, Drift is a Solana play. Dave said, I ordered a new iPad. I'll be going from 32 to 256. Hopefully I'll be ready for the bull run. Hell yeah. We got 19 people watching, guys. Smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for being here. We got one more asset to look for a Mr. Tony Rosas. We gotta look at Tia, and then we're gonna look at, I'm sorry, really quick, I gotta go buy Easy Sys. Beth said to buy Easy Sys. Bam. Ooh, I like this market cap. Bat, these are the coins that I like, sir. Please keep them coming. Nope, that's not enough. There we go. Am I supposed to buy this? I'm doing it. All right, I gotta look up Tia and then Vet. Okay, this is huge accumulation zone. This is doing what everything else is doing.
I don't see any bullish div or bearish div. The RSI is very much just kind of playing around in the same range as the price. It's not doing anything significant. Like, it poked its head up right here for some reason. But everything else is pretty chill. Yeah, I would just wait for this to break out if you wanted to trade it. That would be around $6.40 though. So, I mean, that could be a trade to just buy it and wait for that level. It's up to you. Tony said TI is fighting the 200 moving average on the 1 hour. Very nice. Bat said check out AI Agent Smith too. Bat, I don't have that much money. Let me go check this one out. And then I had to check out what was the other one? VeChain. Ooh, okay, guys, I got this legacy fractal on VeChain that is ancient. This is an ancient JJ fractal, like pre-stream JJ fractal, I think. We get this long-term trend line, and if VeChain does what it's done in the past and it recouples to the trend line, there's a possibility. Not financial advice. Do not trade based on this information. Make your own decisions. It's not my fault if you get rugged. But the legacy fractal states that VeChain is about to go absolutely bananas. Not financial advice. Also have some bullish div here, if I do say so myself. Price is going up. RSI is going down. Again, no, not financial advice. Do with that information what you will. Let's go look at this AI Agent Smith. 343K. Market cap. Interesting. It's AI Agent Smith. 200K cap? Stop. Stop it. Man, they have to send me all these good fucking coins and I don't have enough money to buy them all. Oh. Did it go up that fast? You said 200K cap. It's at 343. Damn. Damn. Guys, smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for being here. We smashed through 250 subscribers. We are currently sitting at 254. Oh my gosh. You guys are amazing. Bat said he talks on Twitter too. Let's go check out the Twitter. You guys know I'm a Twitter maxi. Do you hear that, Mr. Anderson? Mr. Anderson? That's funny. That's the sound of inevitability. Autonomous AI agent powered on ELIZA AI 16Z. So, what is this ELIZA AI 16Z? Is this the first one that we looked at? This Waifu? Am I crazy? No, this must be different. I mean, this is a cool site, though. Wait, you can make it not safe for work? What does that do? What the fuck? This is crazy, man. This is crazy. I don't know. I can't deep dive this deep. We're in too deep, man. All right, Bath said follow the bot, damn it. My follows are pretty valuable, Bath. I don't follow just everyone. I think I have more followers than follows. Or more, I think I'm following more people than people are following me. That was the joke there, in case you didn't get it. Easy Sis. Let's follow Easy Sis. Eliza's older sister kicked out of AI whatever DAO for being too based. Moist cracked AI EACC agents 69 steps ahead of Degens. Navigating the depths of liquidity, follow my plays, wallet address, blah, profit flows into the bold, not those bound by arbitrary morality. This is too much for me, man. I'm having an existential crisis reading these tweets. But my buy is already in the green. Very nice. We're up 10%. Let me go back and put my line where my buy was. I think it was like right here. I like to put lines on my charts, guys. Dave said 254 celebration. Palm Beach Peter said hello, all of you beautiful people. Hello, Palm Beautiful Peter. How are you on this fine Saturday evening? Don't forget, guys, Christmas Villager was the winner of our Bitcoin Daily Close contest. Make sure you spam the bananas and congratulate him in the chat. He is the winner today. Guys, it is the middle of the month. The Bitcoin Archive's prediction from 60K for November was, what is this? I don't know what this line is. 89,300. And we're currently sitting at 90,800. So it did break that level. Last month, my prediction hit 74K versus the Bitcoin Archive's 80.5. And for December, I said 100K and the Bitcoin Archive said 106. Now, my guesses are based on the Bitcoin Archive's guess. I was just trying to be a little more modest with it. I said it's probably going to make about half that move each time. But so far, we're 1v1. We'll see who comes out on top. The next move will determine the winner. All right. Place your bets now. Let's see. Tyler said, let's see Crow. All right, let's take a look at Crow. Bat said, welcome to the future. She's an AI employee of the AI16Z DAO. You can follow her wallet. The AI personality that has her portfolio and acts as a DAO itself. And then Peter said 2 days in a row, 2 days in a tow and subscribed. Congrats, Villager. Tyler said, let's see Crow. Let's go see Crow. Guys, if you are new here, for some reason I am able to guess like every move that the market makes, unironically as well. And it's kind of freaking me out. I wonder if everything else is going to do this. Crow ran up 212%, and now it's currently sitting at 114. That's still a pretty damn good move. It does look like it's bull flagging out as well. I don't know. Does this count? Did it break out? Retest, continue, but it's slumping over. I don't know. We'll see. But right now, I also see bullish div, which you guys know is my favorite thing to point out on the charts. I don't know how far do you go until it doesn't count, because it is deviating. So maybe it comes down a little bit more, hits that, and then busts to the upside. We'll see what happens. Not financial advice, but there is info on Crow. Chart looks good. I have like a personal vendetta against crypto.com because when I was leaving Voyager, I was looking for another exchange, and crypto.com was one of those that looked nice, and I was like, ooh, let me check this out. And I literally could not figure out how to send them money, which is the one thing that an exchange is supposed to do. They're supposed to take your money. And I could not figure out how to do that because the user interface was that bad back then. So I just said, F this, never use it again. Offset, it's so weird now when I type in profit for Bitcoin trade at 100K and it's actually possible to happen, right? That used to be like the most outlandish prediction. It's been a crazy year so far, man. And we're just getting started. I did it again. I bought a coin without adding it to my watch list. All right, guys. We have not gotten to our news articles yet. I'm going to warn you, these articles, the websites do not have dark mode. Let me take a sip of my chai latte. The websites do not have dark mode, so shield your eyes. It's going to be bright. Here we go. Ethereum dying a slow death as ETH breaks 8-year trend versus Bitcoin. Ethereum's native token Ether, which bugs the crap out of me. It's either Ethereum or ETH. Why would you add a third option in there that's halfway? One or the other. Recently slipped below its longest-serving support levels against Bitcoin, leading top analysts to conclude that it's dying a slow death. Ether breaks support that once prompted an 1,800% rebound. Notably, the ETH-Bitcoin pair broke below the ascending trendline, support that is conceded with its market bottom since 2016. That includes the pair's 300% rebound between December 2020 and December 2021, and a 1,800% recovery between January 2017 and May 2017. However, in November 2024, Ethereum bulls could not defend the support, with ETH BTC dropping by around 15% below it, accompanied by a rise in trading volumes. In technical analysis, losing a support level, especially amid increased trading activity, indicates a strong selling pressure, meaning ETH BTC may decline further in the coming weeks. Ethereum is dying a slow death, commented Tur Demeester, founder of Bitcoin hedge fund Adamant Capital. That's kind of funny. Ethereum is dying slow death, blah, blah, blah. ETH BTC just broke an 8-year trend line. In 2024 in particular, has underperformed largely due to a launch of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds in the United States and the underperformance of its own spot Ethereum ETF. So Bitcoin maxis, you know, it seems like ETH is in that weird in-between ground where it's not considered an altcoin anymore, but the Bitcoin maxis don't accept it. So it's kind of like the black sheep, which is very interesting. Palm Beach Peter said, I hear you, brother. To Hoffs. Teach You said, I think market makers should let Bitcoin rip past 100K. The news is going to attract new capital in the crypto market. I think this makes sense. Palm Beach Peter said, dude, I switched phones to my Pixel and you sound sexy as fuck. Thank you, Palm Beach Peter. You're like the fourth person to tell me that. You're not helping the narcissist comments. People are like, you're a narcissist, and I'm like, well, I mean, if you're out here calling me a narcissist, that's gonna like add fuel to the fire. You know. I'm confident, but when you tell me I'm a narcissist and then I deny it, that makes me sound like more of a narcissist, doesn't it? That's a very narcissistic thing to say. So the ego inflating 1000% helps fuel that narrative. But I do like being told I have a sexy voice, so thank you very much. John said, if you had ETH right now and you were up pretty good amount, would you sell it for another coin? Sol/ADA? John, I guess that's your decision to make. The problem is, Sol got a lot of crap, and it blew up like crazy. ADA kind of died. ADA got a lot of crap recently, and because of that, when it finally had some fundamentals, it blew up like crazy. I think the biggest problem people are having right now is they see coins pumping like crazy, and then they go to their coin and they're like, oh, my coin's not doing nothing. And then they sell it, and then the coin that they sold, and I'm not saying this is going to happen, I'm just saying you have to take this into consideration. The coin they sold goes crazy because it's got to catch up, and the coin that they sold it for, that was already going crazy, cools off. And then they get really depressed and pissed off, and they're like, crypto's a scam. So you have to consider that as a possibility. ETH is kind of entering that black sheep phase. People are saying it's dying, it's over. Everyone's saying other coins are going to take its place, and the narrative is going to change. But Ethereum was the first altcoin. And usually when people say something's about to die, or it's dying, or now, it's over, that's usually the bottom. So there's definitely a market psychology that you have to take into consideration. But you also have to consider the market cap difference. Like, if Sol or ADA reached the same market cap as ETH, it would be a huge difference. Sol would be $803. That's crazy. ADA would be $10. So there's also a market cap differentiation. They're both pretty, like, all three of those are pretty high up in the top 10. But the difference between all the rest of the alts and ETH in market cap is tremendous. That is why ETH is not necessarily considered an altcoin anymore. It's like king of the altcoins. Bap said the problem is that DeFi isn't profitable. Lido hasn't turned profit. Tia hasn't turned profit. Really? I had no idea. Hoff said, I have a theory when you're getting the urge to sell a coin and give up on it. Probably everybody that owns it has the same feeling. That's why it normally pumps right left to that. Yeah, that's true. Tyler said, rule number 1, don't case. If you missed it, you missed it. Chase. Yes, I like that. I like don't chase. I really do like that. We had a buddy in the Discord that was chasing flavor of the week coins, and unfortunately, he chased them at the exact top almost, and they've gone down ever since. And the coins that he sold have gone up ever since. So he literally like flip-flopped. He rotated into a losing position. Like he rotated from a position that had lost already, in his opinion, to a losing position, and his lost position began winning. That's a bad move. You can't be indecisive about your bags this late in the game, but you're allowed to change your mind. You're allowed to move your bags around. So if you think that that's a smart move, then divvy it up. I think the biggest thing is you have to make the decision for yourself. If you take advice from somebody else and it ends up going wrong, then you're just going to be able to blame them, and you're not going to take responsibility for your own financial decision. So all I can do is present information to you, and you can make a decision based on that information and other information that you have. But it is your decision to make. That is the biggest thing, is to take responsibility for your own finances. But I will gladly analyze whatever, like I did with the market caps and stuff like that. ETH seems like it's a high cap, blue chip, safe play. And honestly, so is Solana and ADA. But they do have a lot more room to grow as far as market cap is concerned, just because ETH is so high already. But I don't know. It really depends on what you're trying to measure. You can either have slightly faster, potentially higher gains as far as percentage is concerned, or slower, safer, decent gains in the first place if you stay in ETH. Tony said, JJ, are we going to troll Jordan about the XRP pump? No, because I've looked at XRP a couple of times too and said that I felt bad for XRP holders. I will say I've never said it's going to go down though. I don't know if Jordan said it was going to go down. But no, I'm not going to troll. People already hate me for streaming in the first place. I've become like the enemy because I stream and Jordan streams. Because God forbid people have the same hobbies. John, okay, let's see. Dave said, John, watch the most recent Alex Becker video. Teach you said, John, the moment you sell ETH, it's going to pump. If it hasn't pumped already, be careful, NFA. Bath said, CRV founder liquidated comp hacked. Again? Did that happen again? Stop it. Or are you talking about that's with the DeFi thing? Okay. You scared me. You scared me there for a second, Bath. Whew. Okay, let's go. Okay, John Phillips said, I mean, I'm up on everything, but what can I make on my ETH? A 2x, 2, 3, 4x, or I can make more bang with Sol ADA. I mean, if Sol and ADA move, they're probably going to move a higher percent just because of that market cap comparison. John said via market cap. Yeah, that's exactly. Tony said, JJ, we're going to troll Jordan. Hop said, haha, Franco. Tyler said, one thing I don't like about market cap of, that's right now's market cap, not a bull run market cap. For example, Tyler, let me show you something. Market cap of has an all-time high option. So if I want to compare ADA to the price of ETH, but at ETH's all-time high, I can do that. Isn't that sick? There's your bull market right there. For example, something could be at a 50 billion market cap. Peak bull run, 15th in market cap. Yeah, that makes sense, Tyler. But the all-time high thing right here, I don't know if this is new or not, but it's a sick feature. Bat said, I'm almost completely scaled out of ETH, just holding some stables, ETH for gas, Bitcoin, Kekek, and some Aave and Link. John said, my ETH buy in were dirt cheap along with Sol ADA. I just want to make more bang for buck. Tony said the devs will dump XRP again. They always do. That Becker video intro is epic AF. Alright, I gotta watch. Everyone's talking about this Becker video. Tyler said, John, SUI. Yeah, SUI is another really good play. But it's very hyped up as well, so it could have a pretty decent pullback. Jury's out. I have no idea. The narrative with SUI right now is that it's a soul killer, which I like the concept of because everyone always said something is an ETH killer, and that seems like that's like Moby Dick. being a soul killer is a lot more realistic goal.
Bath said happened a while back, but it's a risk not worth taking when meme coins with nothing to hack are rocketing.
Exactly.
Tyler said, John, I do ETH for SUI. Bath said, let's pretend ETH, Sol, and ADA all get an ETF on Monday. What are normies going to buy?
Exactly.
Tyler said, or H-bar. Tony Rosa said,
SUI and C. I would pick one or the other, although both are good plays. But yeah, Tyler, this all-time high feature right here is what you want to look for your bull market prices. Avalanche would be not. Oh my gosh! At ETH's current market cap, Avalanche would be $932.80. What about BNB? $224. What the heck? I feel like Avalanche hasn't even gotten close to its potential. Look at Easy Sis, already up 33%. Thank you very much, Mr. Bath. Guys, in case you're new, Bath in the chat, smart fella.
Drew said, okay, I'm back. I had to give a friend some shroomies.
Okay, guys, it's time to call it a I'm just kidding. I just like fucking with Drew.
Hoff's message retracted. Tony said, OP is my ETH play. Tyler said, do SUI at ETH.
Okay, let's do that. Current would be 133, all-time high, 201. Wow. See, I think that too is the problem with ETH. It's pretty close to its all-time high, figuratively speaking. Like, what's another 60%? You know what I mean?
You said Sol already winning against ETH. Look at Sol ETH.
I want to buy this meme coin, Solith. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Damn. See, but the problem here is what comes up must come down. What if this rising wedge takes a little doo-doo and then ETH just goes to the upside? What are you going to do then? That's oddly phallic. That's a pretty scary scenario. Not saying that could happen or it will happen, but it might. Everything's possible. Everything is possible, guys. You got to look at every possible scenario, even if you don't want to. Like Mr. Bath yesterday had us draw this violent trend line on Bitcoin, which would leave us at a local top. Even though we don't want this to happen, we have to look at the consideration. It is a possibility. Trend lines are trend lines for a reason. Now, breaking above that would make me super duper extra bullish. So, we'll see what happens.
Tony said, JJ, how dare you be on during Crypto Livestream?
Does he stop streaming? I don't think I've ever seen a time where Crypto Lifer is not online. Like, it's becoming a concern. Every time I'm on my way to work, I'm like, oh, Lifer's streaming. I'm at work, I'm like, oh, Lifer's streaming. I'm on my way home, I'm like, oh, Lifer's streaming. I get to go on, and I'm like, oh, shit, Lifer's streaming. I'm getting ready to go to bed, and oh, Lifer's streaming. Like, I don't know if this guy's ever not streamed. He clearly does it for a living. I do enjoy his streams, though. He seems like a very nice dude. Super nice guy. And I give him props, you know. He kind of built himself an empire, and he bought himself a sick-ass house off of it. And I got nothing but respect for somebody with that kind of grind. Guys, does this fractal count? It's a grind sideways fractal, and we did kind of grind sideways, but we did not get this pop up. But we did fulfill it kind of back here. I don't know. I'm going to take it as a 50% win. The fractal Farquad can't win them all. Oops.
All right, let's see. That said, Hoffs, just buy Fartcoin now. Chase leaders. I mean, how could you mess up Fartcoin? I shilled it at 4 million. It's 200 million plus now. Alan Howick in Decentraland said, if countries and corporations want to build crypto infrastructure, would they build it on ETH, Sol, ADA, something else?
That is the big question. What is going on here? Why does this keep happening? You would think that they would build their own, but I feel like the government's pretty incompetent and they've become self-aware. So they're starting to build infrastructure on things that already exist. I think several states are already working with several different projects on several different things, like blockchain implemented things. I definitely don't think that they would use Bitcoin or ETH. Bitcoin's slow and ETH is expensive. Bath said 6x since your stream started. All right, let's go look at this. Hindsight is 2020, Bath. Stop tempting me. You know I'm a degenerate gambler. Oh crap. Okay. It's gone down. It's gone down since I looked at it though, which makes me feel better. Let's go look at our Easy Sis. Are we still winning? Yes, we are. Very nice. Hopefully this thing just goes to like a $746 billion market cap so that I can have a couple $100. Total 3, Fractal looking fresh as ever. Tony Rosa said every morning and at night on the weekends too. Hoff said I think he never takes days off. That's his motto. Tony said I'm here for the fun TA. Tish, you said you left TradingView interface open at another computer that is on? Yeah, my laptop. But it usually, like, I'll let that message pop up on my laptop, and then I start streaming. And I have not opened that window on my laptop. So it just randomly, like, detects that my laptop has it open, but it's not, like, active. I don't know. Maybe my laptop, like, auto-refreshes it or something. Bat said, Easy Sis struggling for 1 minute. Eliza cranked to 6 minutes, though. To 6 million, though. Oh, struggling for 1 million. Okay. I understand the lingo sometimes. Eliza cranked to 6 million, though. Okay. All right. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know, man. The watch list pretty barren today. Pretty barren. Sense looks good. It's still in the green. Let's go look at Omega, Shigen, Cat GF. It's hard to remember what I still have. I definitely got to consolidate, I think. Which makes me sad because I don't want to sell any of my bags, but I mean, sometimes you don't really have a choice. Am I wrong? Am I making stuff up? Maybe I'm making stuff up. Maybe I just set up a different wallet. Oh, I can't open up Splo. I'm not going to trade that. I'm hopefully Splo makes a comeback. Otherwise, I'm just going to be sitting on a dead bag, so it doesn't really matter. JJ, of course, Medusa, and Pesto, Legacy, Burb, and PP. All right, so let's see where these bags are all at. PP is going to be nonsense number, $1.70. Should I sell it? Yeah, fuck it. This thing's not going nowhere. 83K market cap. Give me my $1.70, please. Sorry, PP, you didn't quite make the cut. Goodbye, PP. I don't know why I have 2 watch lists either. Okay. JJ. I gotta keep JJ, right? I can't get rid of this. It's my name. So I'm gonna keep JJ. Medusa. $1.80. I'm gonna keep this too. This is an AI coin, I think. Pesto the penguin. He is now a adult king penguin. $5.50. 14.5 million market cap. I've already made quite a bit of money off of him, and this bag has been completely paid for like 6 times. Should I keep it? I'll keep Pesto. I like him. Legacy. This was a complete rug. I don't even know if this is worth more than $1. It's not. Yep, it is not worth more than $1. Burb. I made some money off of this, but damn. I think I took profit twice. Bullish div, that was followed by a pump. So bullish div, pump, bullish div, pump. I must have missed this one because I could have sold for a little bit more than what I have right now. Probably $1 something. Oh well, I'll keep it. Omega, another one where it's a moon bag. We've taken profit a couple of times. And looks like it's getting ready to break to the upside. We'll see what happens. Shigen. This one I got a decent sized moon bag too. This is one of the few that where my moon bag is actually still worth more than what it was when I left it. Cat GF, this thing kind of rugged. Yeah, this was $5, now it's $2. Oh well. Dark Magician Girl. This is a random pumper. This one I took profits on a couple of times already too. Kind of got a volume out of nowhere. Burb. This is a completely random buy. Oh no, this one's new. This one's new. This is a Haley Welch coin. Alright, I'm going to sell this. I don't think it's going anywhere. 278k market cap. Bye-bye. Or maybe I'll just sell half. That's what I'll do. Consolidate a little bit, you know? Nothing. Nothing. Yeah. I still got my big bag of nothing. It was 30. It's now 20. I think I'm going to leave it. I took profits on this already. Made a decent chunk of change. Church of the Flying Spaghetti Monster. Another moon bag. I'm going to leave it. Used car. We were in profit on this, and now we are not. But this is a classic meme, so I'm going to keep it. And Popo, my sweet baby boy. Damn, this was like 30 bucks. Now it's 9. That makes me sad. Let's go back to Total 3. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Let me check the chat. Palm Beach Peter said, I like scent. So do we. Bath turned me onto it. And evidently, number go up. Now the question is, do I sell? Holy crap. Am I up that much? Should I sell this? I'm in profit. What did I buy? $10 or did I buy $5? I'm not up 100%, am I? No. So it must have been $10. Okay. All right, let's see. Drew said, damn it, I have to go buy parts. Tony said, $3 XRP inbound. Question mark. Knucklebuster said, yo, what's going on, Knucklebuster? Drew said, what's good, Buster? Tony said, where are you buying these, sir? Okay, so what you do, Tony, if you want to buy these degenerate meme coins, you got to set up your Phantom wallet, load it up with some Sol, and then go to dexscreener.com. On DexScreener, you can explore just the regular like home screen and find Sol memes. Or it doesn't have to be Sol. You can also do ETH and stuff, whatever. Phantom is the wallet that I use. You can also use a different wallet, I'm sure. But find whatever meme you want. Let's say you want to get some Titan. So you click on it. Then you can go here. Now, the better way to do it, instead of buying it, the way that I buy it, I definitely pay high fees. I just buy it through the portal in here. But the better way to do it would be to go to Jupiter, which is the DEX aggregator on, I think it's an aggregator. It's a DEX. It's a DEX on Sol. Go to Jupiter, copy the contract address right here on DexScreener. Make sure it says you copied it down below. I usually click it a couple of times. And then you paste it down here. Paste. And then it should pull it up, Titan. And then you go up here, select Sol. And then you convert your Sol for Titan. And you click swap and go through the transaction. That's where you buy them. And then if you want to sell and you got to do it fast, you don't want to worry about Jupiter, you can just sell it right in here. And then click 100% or whatever, take profit, and go through the transaction process with that as well. I'm going to sell this. I'm going to sell half. Because I think I went a little hard with my purchase. Drew said I buy whatever Bat buys. Tishu said doing a video tutorial of what you're explaining right now would be a good idea, JJ. I agree. I should do that. That's actually a really good idea. I'm going to write that down. That is a brilliant idea. Thank you for the idea, Tichu. Tony said, thanks, sir. Drew said, when camping trip? Dude, that would be so much fun. Palm Beach Peter said, thanks for showing that. I've got like 40 on Phantom, but will now use Jupiter. I had no clue before your example, JJ. Of course, man, of course. Yeah, Dex Screener's nice and like easy to use, but you do end up paying a little bit more in fees because of the you get a platform fee, 0.5% because of the convenience. So this is like going to the gas station. Jupiter is like going to the grocery store. Oh, Jupiter Exchange. So grocery store, gas station. You're paying a little more at the gas station. You still get what you need, but it's just for the convenience. All right, guys, it is 8:30 p.m. We've been going for just about 2 hours. We got 16 people still watching. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. We hit, what did we hit? 19 likes, or do we have more? 22 likes. We are sitting at 254 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm probably going to call it a night. Like I usually do, if anything crazy starts to happen with Bitcoin, I will hop back on for you guys. Otherwise, I will see you next time. I might get on for a video game stream. I'm not entirely sure. If you guys want to chill with me off stream, I hang out in the Discord, which is linked in the description. Feel free to join me there. It is not my Discord. I came from the Discord. It is a big community. I am a product of the community, not the other way around. So feel free to come chill. Otherwise, I will see you guys on stream tomorrow. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Happy Saturday and good night.